Hello, my alien students. Welcome back. Hope everyone is doing well. So today we're going to learn something special. I have one beautiful secret which I was thinking of sharing. Anyway, our talk is on 1 minute. Yeah, can you see it? Yeah, beautiful. Okay, we are in a project. It's a home project. We have a project. Okay, my question is, okay, how do I know how many chairs are there of this block? For example, say control one. Properties palette. Okay, you say, okay, how many chairs are of this block? There's a block called A furniture. How many chairs are there? Okay, so how do we do? Actually, what I'm trying to convey message is I'm showing a technique or a trick where you can able to count the number of blocks. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, in this full drawing, okay, we have a drawing here. How many blocks are there? Okay, first question. And second question is, what's the quantity in it? You'll understand in a minute. Okay, let's see. Go to view, go to count. Okay, these many blocks are there in this drawing with the name with it. Okay, so let's take an example of, let's say, chair. Okay, see, he says there are total of 7 chairs of this properties, but he says there's some error here. We will look at it. Just click the error, and we see AutoCAD says there are 7 chairs, out of which there are 2 reported errors. We will see what's the story. Just click here, exploded block. So AutoCAD tells that probably this drawing of this chair was created and exploded. It looks a similar geometry, but it is different. It's exploded. See, it's of individual objects, isn't it? So how do we? Yeah. So what we can do is, I would love this. Copy it, and we say our count is 8. Let's go to the error. See, that went off. Okay, and now he says there are 8 chairs, okay, with matching layer scale and everything, but there is one error. So he said there's an overlapping object. Okay, here he shows it. This red object, there's an overlapping object. Overlapping means one object over the other. There's a trick here. Actually, I have opted. Okay, if I, how do I select? There's 2 objects over one over the other. Okay, and for example, here this is one object, but AutoCAD says there are 2 objects one over the other. I can't select them. Okay, if I do this, let's say do this. If I go to the properties palette, does he show? Okay, he shows there are 2 blocks. Beautiful. But how do I select the one which is on top or one which is bottom? For that, it is called, you just press Control plus 8 on your keyboard. Control plus 8. Okay, what I'm looking for is toggle selection. If you come to these 3 lines, you see a selection filtering or a toggle selection. 1 minute. Where is he? Okay, he's not happy. Okay. Anyhow, the trick is Control 8. Now that is hidden. It's a Control 8. Sorry, Control plus W. If I press Control and W, you see, he tells me there are 2 blocks. If I just remove one of them, okay. And there's no errors now. Okay, now where is the Control 8? Control plus W. No, it's not this. Selection cycle. This one. Okay, if I press selection cycling, there's no objects. Let's say Control. Yeah, okay. Now if I say selection cycling, he tells me there are 2 objects. Okay, is this clear? So if I, it's our Control W, one of them, which you like. Hmm? Is this clear? Okay. No errors. Okay. Now another question can come is, let's suppose I have an object. Let's say this one. How many objects are there in the whole drawing having these properties? You can either right click and go click count. He will show you where all those objects are. 12 of them. Okay. Is this clear? Okay, beautiful. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this class. So what I was trying to convey message was, in this count palette, you have different options. You can expand by layer. Okay, so there are two layers, one layer 0 and layer. This error will not give you if there are different, let's say scale. If you have a look at scale, let's look at by scale. You see, different objects have different scale. And the other one is mirror state. If it was created by mirror state. Yes, this is the object which is, then you need to go to properties palette and change it. Let's make it take the example. See, should have done it to 1, 1. Now it is perfect. See, all are in 8. Is this clear? Okay. Hope everyone enjoyed this class. So what was the meaning of this? What was the main topic of this class? The main topic or the main aim of this class was to teach you count. Count is a function or a command in AutoCAD which will help you to count the number of blocks and also the location where it is existing. Okay, it's kind of a helping hand where we can understand or we can visualize which block is out of sync, let's say, synchronize. I hope everyone enjoyed this class. It was a small class. Actually, these are all topics for the ACP. I thought of just sharing some of the tricks and yeah, tips. Anyway, all good. Take care, and we all see each other in the next class. Bye.